Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you are doing well at home. It's your English class and today we are going to read a very interesting story, that is The Lost Teddy. I know you have read it in the class, but today we are going to revise it again. Okay. The first thing is, who are these two people? She is Mom and there is Skipper who is standing next to Mom. What is Skipper holding? Oh, it's a teddy bear. I think so they are going somewhere. Look, they are at the bus stop. Do you see that bus at their back? The green one? Yes, the bus is coming towards them. What kind of bus is it? It's a double-decker bus. And you know, Kipper loves to ride in a double-decker bus that they are going to just catch up. Okay, now tell me, have you ever ridden on the double-decker bus? I know some of you must have. Let's turn the next page. Oh, what's happening on this page? I think so they are on their destination and they are just leaving the bus. Mom is pulling Kipper and they are just getting off. But one thing is here. Let's see what happened next. They just got off from the bus and walking on the pavement. Oh, what is in the thought bubble? Kipper got off the bus. He remembered Daddy. I have left Daddy on the bus, he gasped. I have left Daddy behind. He is so sad. Now look at Kipper's expression. But by this time, the bus had moved off and almost out of sight. Look at the bus. The bus is going. And it was not possible for Mom to run after it. Oh, Kip, said Mom. There is nothing I can do at the moment. I am already late. But what about Daddy? Wailed Kipper. And in reply, Mom said, when we get home, we will phone the bus company. I expect the bus conductor will find Teddy and look after him until we get him back. Don't you think that the story is going very interesting? Let's see what happened on the next page. When Kipper went to bed that night, he was very upset. Do you know why he is upset? He could not get to sleep without Teddy to keep him company, and he could not help crying. Biff and Chip tried to cheer him up, but Kipper was very sad and crying. Nothing can make him happy without Daddy. They took some of their favorite toys to give Kipper. Look, what are they giving to him? Is it a policeman? Yes, you're right. Biff is giving him her toy. What Chip is holding in his hand? He is offering his teddy bear to Kipper just to make him happy. Don't cry, said Chip. I can't help it, sniffed Kipper. I keep wondering if I will ever see my Teddy. But what if somebody has found him and kept him?
Why Biff and Chip are giving their toys to him? To make him happy? But there is only one thing that is running into Kipper's mind: the lost teddy. The next day, Mum said to Kipper, "Come on, we are going on the bus again. We are going to the lost property office at the bus station." "What is a lost property office?" asked Kipper. The lost property office is a place that looks after all the things that people have lost on the buses. You would be surprised at the things people lose. I expect lots of children lose teddy bears and toys, said Mum. There's probably a special department that looks after teddy bears. Mum said this to try and cheer Kipper up, but he was so worried that Teddy wouldn't be at the lost property office that he didn't feel in the mood to be cheered up. What do you think will happen? Will he find the teddy or he won't find it as they are going to the bus station again? At last, they arrived at the bus station and they went straight to the office that said lost property. Kipper had fingers crossed on both hands and he kept saying to himself, "I wish, I hope, I wish, I hope." What things can you see in this office? There are two boxes and there are a lot of things here. There are caps, umbrellas, glasses, some kind of toys in the red box. When Mum asked the lady if Kipper's teddy bear had been handed in, she said, "We had 5 teddy bears in yesterday, so I expect Kipper's is in the box." And it was. There he is. What are Kipper's expressions right now? Is he happy or excited or sad? I think so. He's happy and excited as well. You can imagine how pleased Kipper was to see Teddy again. And you can imagine how glad Teddy was to see Kipper. As all the other lost teddies look sad. But don't worry, the lady told Kipper that their owner will all come in and find them sooner or later. It's an end to the story. So children, did you enjoy the story? Thanks for it. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.